Hi, and thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to do a pour, and I'm going to attempt to get a very unusual effect. So we're going to be using 4 colors. Going to use DecoArt Pouring Medium and an 11 by 14 canvas. So let's get right to it and see what happens. So I'm set up outside, and wouldn't you know, about the time I get everything ready to go, someone starts a lawnmower. But I hope that it won't be too terribly annoying. This is King's Gold. I wanted earthy colors for this one. A caramel, and we've got pueblo and khaki. I am using this DecoArt Pouring Medium, and I've got to say it's got really great flowing ability. So what I want to do is to get my pour ready. I've got the 4 colors already mixed up with my DecoArt. The last colors that I want to come out of my cup are going to be these 2 layered. So I'm going to just start and see if we can pour these, do a little layer, pretty good little layer here of these 2 colors. Now I'm going to add in these. All these colors, with the exception of the khaki, but we needed that little extra in there, just remind me of a sunset. I could do this one of 2 ways. I'm trying to decide. I could go straight down the middle, or I could go at an angle. And I don't know why. Because I like things on an angle sometimes. So, excuse me, I'm going to start and go with an angle. I'm going to make a little pouring whatever here. And I'm just going to start, and I'm going to go back and forth. Just kind of little small back and forth motions. All the way to the other corner. And then just a straight line. I shot just a straight-ish line back down the center. Now I'm going to start doing my manipulating the canvas. And we got an incredibly cool little look here. Just really pretty, like I said, sunset colors. I want to make sure I have my edges nice and covered. Now, I don't have any additive, silicone in this. I do have additive. I don't have silicone in this. But as you can see, we have some nice little cells popping up. It's pretty cool. I have some little something there. Let's see if I could just squish that down and get rid of it. We have super awesome definition going on in here just from the paints and the medium all mixing together there. It's just pretty cool. I've got great little things going on, and I really liked having that little definition of that little bit of a line that you could, use your imagination and come up with a lot of ideas of what you could do there. But anyway, this was some great color combination that was a happy accident for me. I want to thank you all for watching. I thank you subscribers. I appreciate your comments, and if you're just stopping by, I hope that you will give me a thumbs up, and I also hope that you will subscribe. And I hope you all have a great day and week. So I'll see you next time.